Putting events together like La Bienvenida is just one job the Cross-Cultural and Gender Center put together for Hispanic Heritage Month, and this semester everyone is excited to be back.
We're getting a really good response, so a lot of our events fill up pretty fast. We posted a flyer for an event. We didn't even promote it on social media. Within 2 days, it was full.
The process of organizing events is something that not many people think about, but there is more meaning behind why these celebrations take place.
That's the challenging part, I think, of our job because we want to do it all. We want to do everything. We want all of our students to feel like we're, you know, putting out programs that they can connect with. And so a lot of what we do is my students are really they're the ones that are really kind of the creative minds behind a lot of the programs.
Student involvement is a first priority because it's important for Fresno State to embrace and unify all cultures and people after only having virtual events where student participation wasn't as high.
I'm super excited. There's no better feeling than being on campus, able to do things normally.
People may assume being a coordinator of programs and services for a university center is all computer work, but really it's about having conversations with students about the programs they want. I'm Ruby Roque, Fresno State Focus.